The overall goal of this method is to establish an SSVEP-based experimental procedure by integrating multiple software programs to enable the study of brain-robot interaction with humanoid robots. This is achieved by first placing EEG electrodes on a human subject to measure the brain responses through an EEG data acquisition system. A user interface is used to elicit SSVEP responses and to display video feedback in the closed-loop control experiments. The second step is to record the EEG signals of the first-time subjects, to analyze their SSVEP features offline, and to train the classifier for each subject. Next, the online signal processor and the robot controller are configured for the online control of a humanoid robot. As the final step, the subject completes 3 specific closed-loop control experiments within different environments in order to evaluate the brain-robot interaction performance. The results show the normalized power spectral density of brain signals generated while staring at the stimuli, flickering at different frequencies. Our system translates these brainwave patterns into commands to control 4 robot behaviors. Using this approach, the subject is capable of interacting with the humanoid robot via brain signals. This allows the humanoid robot to perform typical tasks that are popular in robotic research and are helpful in assisting the disabled.
The advantage of this approach is its reliability and flexibility, as it is developed by integrating multiple software programs such as OpenWide, CoreGraph, and Central Software, as well as user-developed programs written in C++ and MATLAB.